Oh, I almost forgot. Just before I sign off, I just wanted to mention one more thing. You can make babies with urine. Now it's a thing. Now I discovered this quite by accident. It's kind of weird. But the thing is, so the science of it all works out. Now if you approach it from a science standpoint, it's when you urinate, your urine, it contains, that they discovered this recently, you can culture urine and you can get stem cells from it. So when you culture the urine and you get the stem cells, you can basically grow anything from the stem cell. So basically you can clone a human, or you can culture a whole you can culture a whole person you can culture a full human from a stem cell. So when you urinate and you urinate out the stem cells, you urinate two types of stem cells: epithelial stem cells, renal stem cells, the kidney stem cells, and other type of stem cell. I think it's like epithelial or something. And those can go backwards into pluripotent stem cells. So you have the two basic stem cells required for a whole human being, for any organ in the system. If you combine those, you get a whole human being, and then you can make an embryo. So the secret is, there's a secret. If you use, you can make half. You can do halvesies if you do like accidental, or if you ejaculate into the urine and culture that, you can get an egg to form, and that egg will be fertilized. I discovered that. And but it dies. You have to keep it refrigerated and stuff. It's really complicated. But the easier part is, if you combine that with a rose, you get a hybrid. I think it's a hybrid anyways. I don't know what it is. It's weird. But if you put rose petals into the urine will culture clones. And that's the weird part. I don't know how it works, but it just has the right stuff, the right markers. So make a whole freaking hockey team. I don't know, Michael.